Ever wondered why everyone has started to use ChatGPT? Well, in today's video, we will be discussing how ChatGPT can be used for business and how it will take over the future. So, if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just curious about the future of AI, watch to the end of this video. Let's start by understanding what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can understand and respond to text in natural language, making it incredibly resourceful and capable of performing various tasks. How ChatGPT can benefit businesses. One of the most prominent applications of ChatGPT in business is customer support and engagement. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can handle customer inquiries, solve problems, and provide information 24/7, significantly improving customer satisfaction. These chatbots are not just efficient, but also cost-effective for businesses, as they reduce the need for human agents and can handle multiple conversations simultaneously. ChatGPT can also be a powerful tool for content generation. It can help businesses create blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and more, saving time and resources. Content generation with ChatGPT is not limited to text. It can also assist in creating images, videos, and audio content. Businesses can leverage ChatGPT for market research and gathering insights. It can analyze vast amounts of data, customer reviews, and social media mentions to provide valuable information about market trends and consumer sentiment. Now let's discuss how ChatGPT is poised to take over the future of business. As AI models like ChatGPT become more sophisticated, they will enable businesses to offer highly personalized customer experiences. Chatbots will understand individual preferences and provide tailored recommendations, increasing customer loyalty and sales. Imagine receiving product recommendations that perfectly match your interests and needs, all thanks to ChatGPT's understanding of your preferences. ChatGPT's language capabilities extend beyond English, opening doors for businesses to connect with a global audience effortlessly. Another exciting aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to continuously learn and adapt. This means businesses can rely on ChatGPT to evolve and remain relevant in a rapidly changing business landscape. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a remarkable AI technology that holds immense potential for businesses. It can revolutionize customer support, content generation, market research, and much more. As we look to the future, ChatGPT is set to play a significant role in shaping the business landscape, offering personalized experiences, global reach, and continuous adaptation. So if you made it to the end of the video, hit the subscribe button and comment below your thoughts on ChatGPT and what other AI tools you would like us to cover next.